TUT coin is delivering an extraordinary performance today, jumping a massive 290% over the past 24 hours and trading around $0.01284. This explosive move has placed TUT firmly under the spotlight, with traders watching closely as the token experiences an extreme surge in buying interest. A move of 290% in a single day is far beyond a normal market fluctuation. It represents a dramatic shift in short-term momentum and can quickly attract momentum traders, new market participants, and increase social attention. At the same time, such an extreme rally can bring equally extreme volatility, meaning the market could move sharply in either direction. The current $0.01284 level is now a major area to watch. After such a powerful advance, the ability of TUT to hold some of its gains could be more important than simply continuing higher. If buyers remain active around the current zone, it could potentially develop into a new short-term support area. If selling pressure suddenly increases, however, a sharp pullback or consolidation could follow. Trading volume is another crucial part of today's story. A 290% price increase supported by strong and sustained volume would indicate significant market participation. If volume begins falling rapidly while the price struggles to advance, it could suggest that the initial momentum is cooling as early buyers begin taking profits. Beyond the chart, market participants may continue monitoring TUT's ecosystem development, project updates, adoption, partnerships, exchange activity, token utility, roadmap progress, and community engagement. Continued positive developments could help maintain interest in TUT after today's dramatic price movement. One important point is that a 290% gain does not automatically mean another 290% move is coming. After an extreme price increase, markets often need time to find a new balance between buyers and sellers. Consolidation could allow the market to absorb the massive gains, while a sudden reversal could indicate heavy profit-taking. For now, TUT coin is trading around $0.01284 after surging 290% today, making it one of the most dramatic movers in the current cryptocurrency market. The real test begins after the initial explosion. Can TUT hold its new price zone, maintain strong trading activity, and attract continued demand?